What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth Davis. If you're new here, I make mostly videos about fashion, makeup, and vlogs. So if that's your vibe, then definitely subscribe. Today we are going to be doing a little tie-dye project. So I'm outside in my front yard and it's a little noisy because of the birds. There's lots of birds around and they're especially noisy in the morning. So sorry in advance. And today's video is in collaboration with Valenzuela. She is another small YouTuber here and she makes a lot of really amazing DIY projects, and she paints shoes and jackets, and she just has the most amazing talent, and I really love to watch her videos. So if you are interested in that, you should definitely check it out. She's also doing a DIY tie-dye today, and I'm gonna link her channel in the description, and I am so excited to see how it turns out. She's just super positive and sweet, and I just love that about how I've made so many friends here on YouTube and just from literally all over, and it's super cool. So definitely check out Crystal's channel. Again, it's linked in the description. I have my little tie-dye kit. This is gonna be a weird angle, so sorry. Just set you down for a second. I have my little tie-dye kit here. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It's supposed to be really easy. It's a one-step tie-dye kit, which is perfect for today because I have never done this and I don't want it to be anything difficult. So I'm gonna go put water in this. I think I'm gonna pick one color. I'm not sure which color I wanna do. I think I might do either the fuchsia one or the turquoise one. I think I'm gonna go for the turquoise one. So this is the t-shirt. I just also got this at Hobby Lobby. It's a size large, it's just an adult t-shirt. So this apparently comes with rubber bands and gloves as well, so that's awesome because I don't have to go try to find my own. So I'm gonna open this up and go fill it with some water, and then we will get started. I'm just going to quickly unwrap this shirt to see if I like how it's coming out so far. It's not very tie-dyed. It's not bad. Should I add another color? I feel like I want to add some bleach to this. That would make it really interesting. I'm not extremely excited about how it looks. I think it looks pretty cheap, which is fine because, honestly, I spent about less than $10 on this entire project. So I think what I want to do next is maybe, oh my, I've got this all over me. Add a little bleach into the dye and see what happens. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've added the bleach and I feel like it kind of turned it into this green color, so I don't really know what's going on right now, but I'm gonna just do it because it's for fun, and who knows, maybe it won't look bad. Sorry, I'm shaking the whole thing. Yeah, it literally is green now. Huh, cool. I wanted to see what would happen, so now we know. And you know what? I'm gonna put it on. I don't care. I think this is I don't know, interesting. Well, I ran out of bleach and dye, so yeah, that's it. it says to let it sit for 4 to 6 hours, so, or 6 to 8 hours maybe. I have dye all over me. And yeah, so I will probably untie the rubber bands here in about an hour or two just to kind of see like where it's at, and I'm just gonna leave it out here. I do need to rinse the grass though, because I don't want my dog to like lick where I was doing chemical things. So sorry, Mom. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna let that sit and I will report back to you guys soon. I'm gonna do this hoodie with a different color. This is a really old hoodie. Well, it's not really old, I got it last year, but since it's white, it has crap all over it and it's really easy to get dirty. So I'm gonna try the pink one this time, and I'm going to use this on the hoodie so that, yeah, I'm gonna just try it again. I think I might end up liking this hoodie. Well, I'm officially done, so we'll see how these turn out in a couple of hours. So it's been about an hour since I did my shirts, so I'm coming out here to check on them, see what's up. This one's kind of interesting. It's almost looks like an acid thing, and the pink one looks pretty good. So I think what I'm gonna do is untie the bleach shirt. Okay, so I'm thinking that this bleach tie-dye shirt didn't turn out as bad as I thought it would, so I'm just gonna untie it really quick. So here's the shirt. Let me back up a bit. I think it looks pretty cool. I like the acid look it has. I'm gonna quickly wash it and then I'll probably hang it to dry and then I'll model it for you guys. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the pink one, but I'm still like kind of letting it dry because I did that one last. So let's go wash this and then we will regather in a couple of minutes, okay? Okay, so remember how I said this was a fail? Well, I don't really think it was. So I washed it and now I'm gonna hang it to dry out here. So there it is. There's my mom's pretty tree. Isn't it great? It's just so pretty at springtime. Anyway, the pink one's in the wash now. I ran this on the, what's the word? I basically did hand wash, but it's the one right below that, like casual press or whatever. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, so that's what I did. And then I feel like it's not showing up totally how it is, but maybe once it's dry, I'll show you guys inside what it looks like. And then obviously I'm gonna put it on, but it needs to dry first. Okay guys, here's the first shirt. I think it turned out really cute. Let me lower it just a little. There we go. So it's a bit oversized. It comes down past my booty. And I'm just wearing it with a pair of my pleather biker shorts. These are from Target. I got these in a size large. And then this t-shirt is also a size large. I think I mentioned that earlier though. And yeah, if you didn't catch it, also the t-shirt is from Hobby Lobby. That's where I got everything. Here's the back. And I think it turned out really cute. I think the only thing I might like crop it a little bit so it's like to here. So maybe more like this ish or tie it. It would be cute tied too. So a couple different ways. I might put some like little holes in it to make it look tattered. I think that would be pretty cute, but for today I am happy with the result. Let's put on the pink one. Okay, here's the pink one. I thought I put it on backwards. I think this turned out pretty cute as well. This is oversized from Walmart. I got it last year. I think this is either a medium or large. I want to say it's a large or maybe extra large. I don't know. I'll look later. And then here's the back. And I'm still wearing the biker shorts. This would be super cute like on a summer night when you want to have like a bonfire. Maybe it's like a little bit cooler outside and you can just like wear like maybe a razorback tank top underneath or a crop top or something. And this would be really cute to throw on over top of it if you get chilly. So yeah, that's about it. Well guys, that wraps it up for the tie-dye DIY. I hope you all really enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Crystal's channel. I linked her channel down below in the description. Head over there to see how she did her DIY tie-dye. I guarantee you it's 100% better than mine. She's so talented and I can't wait to see how it turned out. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to both myself and Crystal, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.